Okay, this is part two of the panel update because many of you were asking me how do I stream using StreamYard, etc. Because obviously you can stream to all these destinations directly inside the panel, but I like StreamYard too because it allows you to have guests, all that good stuff like that. You do have to be on the. Let me go into another browser real quick, and let me tell you what plan that you have to be on in order to use to use that feature on StreamYard. And I like StreamYard. It's great because it allows you to interview people, all this type of stuff, and you can be everywhere at all times. And also, StreamYard also gives you the ability, somebody is interviewing you and you want your audience to see, as long as they have the enabled broadcaster thing, I'll show you how that looks on their stream, then you'll be able to do that as well. Share, and it doesn't save your information on their side. Okay. So if you go to StreamYard.com, I love StreamYard. I love it. I should do it like a master class. I might do it in my crafting group, my group that I got over there called the PLC. All right, so here's the pricing. Oh, okay. They have the yearly price and the annual price. Okay, so this is the most popular one. This gives you all the hoo hoo and ha ha. That's $50 a month though. Okay, but the $25 a month will be perfect for what most of you guys are doing. All right, so the free streaming limit. Okay, I don't think the free version, I don't think it gives you access to the custom RTMP destination. Okay, so you have to have the $25 a month. So choose that plan, go and pay them people the little $25 a month. All right. So when you do that, you're gonna log into a thing, and it's gonna have a thing on here where it says destinations. On destinations, yours. Let me go over to mine. I think mine is on the free version, and since mine's on the free version, I can't set up the RTMP. Okay. Oh no, it lets me. Oh, praise the Lord. No. Sorry. Nope, it don't. Okay, so on the free version, if you own the free version, let me just remove some of this stuff, okay? Because I don't think it lets you on the I'm gonna just remove this. I don't think it lets you. So let me see, add custom. Yeah. All right. So it says you can, on the free version, it say you can add stream anywhere that accepts RTMP, but you will need to upgrade your account. So you have to literally go, and you literally need to go in there and upgrade your account. Okay. So I'm gonna go in here under my other one where it's destinations. So where you press destinations, you'll press add destinations. You'll say select an RTMP server. Okay. Inside of your stream, on inside of your thing, I'll use again. Thank you, VSC, for letting me use y'all as my guinea pig, but it's okay. All right. So when you go inside of your stream, on the first page, you're going to see where it says on the side, live stream to service. So it has a server URL and a server stream key. Okay. So basically, if you go and you click on those, it'll copy it automatically to your pasting thing on there. And so you go to StreamYard, and basically what you do is you press paste, and then you press paste. Yeah. You press paste right here. Then it's gonna ask you for your stream key. Then you go over there, you go, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get your stream key there. I'm gonna change the stream key um in a minute. But anyway, and then just label it. We're gonna label it VSC TV, and then say I add RTMP server. Okay. So once you've done that, now you are ready to go live with your settings. Now also there's also settings that you have when you do go live. So I'm gonna enter the studio. Okay. Once I enter my studio, okay, it's gonna ask me for my name, all this wooty woo stuff. So from I don't want to use that. Okay. All right. So you just press enter into your studio. Hopefully this don't mess with my settings. Um, I have a brand, my little branding thing. I'll just keep this here just for the heck of it, just for integration purposes. Okay. So from there, I have my personal YouTube set, And then I mean my personal Facebook set, and then I also have my personal I mean my server set. All right. So I have that set there, and now we're ready to go. We're actually ready to go live. So what I am going to do now, I'm going to click on go live. So going live is going to have it live on her website, on the TV station, and on something else. I mean on the on the website, TV station, Roku. So it takes maybe a couple of like 30 seconds or something like that to actually go into the station. I can add myself to the stream. If I add myself to the stream, I need to go to my oh, I think it let me is actually letting me, so that's fine. So from there, now that I am on the stream, I just have this because I'm on my background showing and stuff. I am on the stream. When you go back into here again, it might take it. There go, boom, take less than a minute, and now it is live on the actual panel inside of there. Okay, so you are able to stream on your stream. You're able to stream on the stream yard as well. Um, and whatever is live on the StreamYard is also going to be live on. Let me refresh this site right here. It's also going to be live. Well, oh, I'm not on the link. I'm on something else. I'm like, that's not that. It's also going to be live on the television. Okay. As you see, whatever is live on here, that's what's going to be live on the website, on the television, and also on the Roku station. Okay, so you're able to definitely take advantage of that. And oh, two people are watching. Hey y'all, I'm about to log off. I was just simply doing a really quick recording real quick as some of our panels has updated. I am showing our existing network owners exactly how do they use their StreamYard to integrate it live with their TV, because this is streaming to Facebook, the website, and also the Roku channel. The Roku channel live. So thank you all for tuning in for just a simple, a real simple test. Okay, so I'm gonna say end broadcast right there. All right. So now that I press the end the broadcast, it ends the broadcast off of StreamYard. Now I'm gonna also show you as well. If you are, let's say somebody say, hey, I want you to come on my thing. You like, hey, can I run this to my TV station? They like, oh yeah. So they send you an invite. And once they send you an invite, they was like, okay, yeah, put your TV station in there. They have to make sure guest is enabled. And then this setting right here where it says guests can stream to their own destination. As long as guests can stream to their own destination and they can enable it on their end as well, they can they can they can enable it on their end as well. Then it'll give you the option when you log in to just put your stream server in your thing, and you can send wherever they have you at. You can broadcast while they broadcasting it to your TV for absolutely free for you. Okay, so that is one of the great things about StreamYard as well. And I know I didn't do a full on depth StreamYard tutorial. I will, but just give me a few to as I finish up some programming stuff, and I'll make sure that I will send you guys a it'll be like a free video that you can follow along and look at on your own personal time as well, because the network is growing and we want you to grow with it, and we want you to be able to scale with it as well. Okay, so God bless y'all, and thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later.